Capricorn, we're finishing the readings today with you. Oh my God. Crazy dude. Okay, anyways. Capricorn, we're finishing the readings off with you. I am your host, Vanessa, Carby, psychic and medium spiritual practitioner and tarot reader. Capricorn, your channel message is 10 of Cups, the Tower card. So I'm getting, it's going to be a shake-up in the family. Or me getting, when I have to evacuate. Me getting, when I can't stay at that house. Or I have to evacuate the house. Me getting something with 10 of Cups is a family, the Tower. I don't know what your family do or what they're going in. I'm getting your family might be in a car crash or a natural disaster. Or I'm getting the family is divided, split up apart now. I'm getting the family, this is out of control, bruv. Okay, let's go ahead and go into your family tree tarot reading. So let's see what blessings they are there. What are the blessings? What are the blessings around the women in your family, the females? We have the Empress. Wow. Okay, Capricorn, so I'm getting all of the women are... No, Capricorn women are bosses. You have to understand how Capricorn women stay. Them get them own money. Them very, very picky with them company. Them picky with which man are going to impregnate them. Them very high class, okay? So I'm getting the blessing is all on the beautiful and self-sufficient, all on his great mothers, great caregivers, beautiful home. I'm getting even the way how to spend money and spend it on things that just complement you guys. I'm getting we're just getting everything is beautiful, Capricorn. Everything is beautiful. What is the curse? The Two of Cups, but there's no men. So beautiful picture, beautiful baby shower picture, beautiful birthday picture upload on your social media, but where's the guy? Because I'm getting you're distracting yourself with the fact that, oh, look at my family, look at me, look at... It could be Libra, Cardi B taking pictures with she and her baby and everybody want right and say, oh, where's Offset, where's the man? Who's the new baby father? So I'm getting you learn that, yes, even though you're very self-sufficient, but you are also learning that sometimes man is a blood clot curse. That's why Jesus dead. Mary Magdalene pussy didn't get her killed. So you should know next time a man wants to talk about equality, sir, why a lady wasn't nailed on the fucking cross? Did anybody ask Reverend this? Reverend, why them never kill Mary Magdalene? She sells so much, and she wasn't even charging her OnlyFans subscription cost. Why them never nail Mary Magdalene to the cross? Why them never nail Jesus Christ's mother? Was it a thing to not nail women? Or was it so absurd that a woman could be a prophet that nobody took a woman seriously if she was indeed the Messiah? Let us continue the reading. Let us see what gifts the male side of your family got. The Emperor. We're getting them. So the women is the Empress, the male is the Emperor. Jesus Christ. So I'm guessing anybody there with any of your sister them, they are automatically crowned king. And any girl was your brother Dick, they're automatically Empress. So I'm guessing okay, now what's happening though? Yeah, that's why them separate. See the woman and the man, them separate from each other. She have the kids, like what a woman's supposed to have, but no man. Him don't have no kids, don't have no woman, but him have the blood clot dog. I'm joking. He has a lamb. Is it a goat? So you want the man them want to live single life with the dog them, and the woman them is okay to live without the man them with kids. So next time you trust that nigga, please think twice. Because the women will take the kids and start over, and the men will get a new dog after they leave the woman. Probably need another pussy tough. This time the pussy can't speak English. Okay, great. So I'm getting both sides seem very balanced. It's just they're not defending each other. What is the curse? The magician. Oh, them like to use their power. So apparently, because you are... Wait, I'm going to plug this in because I'm actually dead. When I like them, I'm going to go... Oh, Jesus Christ. Oh my God. So apparently, it's a curse to... Even it's like you and your brother have money. You and your family member, them have money. And basically, how this look like is that you are taught to just be very self-sufficient, just with kids, stay on your own, do not indulge or don't mix the energy with one man. Now, over the other side, for the man them in your family, them look like all them in a war. I'm getting they don't really hang around women. Even when the women pregnant, them don't hang around the women. Maybe even when the women them just have the baby and them have to go through the healing stage, them don't hang around the women. All of them go off and hang around men. This sound like Jewish men. Let's see what your mother taught you. The Sun card. Again, your mother taught you how to be a great mother, regardless if a man is in the picture or not. Regardless if the man love you or not, you will still treat those kids beautifully. Because Capricorn is the father of the zodiac. So even though you're a woman with feminine energy, your hierarchy, even if you're in a relationship, you're going to be more responsible than the man. The man probably don't feel like him useless. The way a Capricorn woman stays sometimes. What did your father teach you, the emperor? Him just teach you to be the king of the jungle, even though the king of the jungle is in a zoo. And even though Rob Ford was trying to tell them to cut down the zoo pass so that we can increase the TTC conservation prices, no, your father is telling you that the king of the jungle is a fucking lion. But the lion is in the zoo that you pay 12 Canadian dollars to go and see. Ask America, how much is it to see how much a delivery in a baby costs? It costs more than the blood clot lion. The baby costs more than the fucking zoo ticket. And let's see what your ancestors are saying. The Nine of Pentacles. It's saying, fuck those niggas. It's the reason why Harry Tubman ran away to freedom. Fucking Malcolm X marching. Fucking Martin Luther King Jr. marching. Harriet Tubman was running. Nanny of the Maroons was running. So why was our bitches running but the niggas walking? You want me to stand up? I have MK Ultra. Your ancestors are telling you that you are self-sufficient by yourself. And the women in your family actually led your family members to freedom. That's why you don't need a man. Whether he's a king beside you, or whether him are the slave owner, or him are the emperor, the women, they run to freedom, not the men. Marching, you broke. That's how whitewash niggas do. Why are you marching? I told you, we're marching because we need a sense of freedom. No! You see that guy marching or you see him shooting at people, huh? Fucking marching. Harriet Tubman was running. Pisces. I have to take these secrets to the grave. And we have magic. I'm going to leave it here. Until next time. Mwah!